Hi, I'm Matthew Haviland here with Keller Realty, South Jersey real estate expert, and I'm here at a new home. This is the Summit model from DR Horton, and this particular model is in the new community in Medford, New Jersey. I'm going to give you a tour, inviting you to join me. Thanks. So this is the Summit model. Have your dining area right here. This one has not been cleaned yet, so it is a little dirty, but we'll work our way from the dining room. We have a little butler pantry area here, and this goes right into the kitchen. Beautiful center island here. Let's back up and show you a look at this. You can definitely put quite a few stools there. This has the dark cabinetry, which I actually like. You know, the white is all the popular, but this looks good. I actually like the look of this. The dark cabinets with the white countertops. It's a really nice look. Refrigerator will go right there. A lot of counter space, a lot of cabinet space with this model. Stainless steel appliances. You have your dishwasher, your sink right here in the center island. And then you do have an eat-in kitchen area right here with your table here, and then a really nice size living area here. Let's go take a look at the rest of the house. So back here, you do have a bedroom right here on the first floor, which is a really nice option to have this bedroom here. You could use this as a office also if you wanted. And you have the full bathroom right off of that first floor bedroom. Tile shower surround there. Really easy access. You should just have one small step to get in the shower. Tile floor here. This is great, really great layout. We'll come back down later to the basement. That's the basement steps right there. I like that. It's hard to find houses that have a first floor full bath and bedroom, so it's really nice to have that as an option. And let's go check out the rest. So right off the kitchen area, we do have the garage. Two-car garage. And closet, coat closet there. You also have a coat closet when you come in the front door as well, right here. And then let's go upstairs and check out upstairs. All right, so coming up the stairs, first thing I want to show you is this incredible loft area. You have a loft area coming up the stairs. Huge space here. And if you wanted to use this as a family room or whatever you want to use that for, you have one giant closet right here. Another closet right behind me. And let me show you the owner's bedroom right through here. So owner's bedroom is here. Really nice size as well. And walk through here and show you the bathroom. Some lights on. So we do have the really nice double vanity, a lot of cabinet space there. We have linen closet here, the large oversized shower with the window above, subway tile, and this is a seated shower as well, so you have that seat there. I'll show you over here is the toilet, private toilet in that room. And coming right through the bathroom, we have this massive closet. So there's some windows down there on the floor, but huge closet, walk-in closet. And then we do have a couple more bedrooms up here on this floor as well. So this is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths up here, plus you have the loft area, so a lot of space up here. This would be the laundry room right here. And then you do have a linen closet right in the laundry room, which is really nice. I like that feature. And here's a look at one of the bedrooms here. Have your closet there. Hall bathroom right here. Nice thing about this bathroom too is you do have the vanity here, dual sinks, and then a separate room for the toilet and the shower. Get the lights on so you can see that. So we got the toilet, the tub, And again with the white subway tile. Really nice, clean, bright look. And then we do have 2 more bedrooms on this side. So, bedroom here. Nice size closet as well. You can see they are still doing some construction right across the street. Really, this block has come along really quickly. And then we have 1 more bedroom right here. 1 window here. And this bedroom actually has its own private bath. So this could really be used like a junior master suite. You have your vanity here, toilet, another tub, again with that subway tile surround. Really nice look. So this is a little bit smaller of a bedroom, but you do have a huge closet here too. Another walk-in closet here, which is a good sized walk-in closet. So very nice layout. This has a lot of versatility. You have the 4 bedrooms up here, 3 full bathrooms up here, and then you also have 1 bedroom and a full bath downstairs on the first floor. All right, one more stop. We got to check out the basement. So let's do that now. So this model, we just have an unfinished basement. I want to show you anyway, so you get an idea what the space is here, and that it very easily could be finished. A lot of open space here. Actually looks like it's framed to be finished. This one is not 100% done yet, so they may actually be planning on finishing this off. And then your utilities. Oh man, it's dark back here. Get some lights on. There we go. So utilities right there, water heater. Everything's set up nicely. So thanks for watching this video, new home tour, DR Horton. And if you'd like more information on this home, please check the link in the video description. I'm going to have all the details for you right there. And if you're thinking about buying a new home and want some information, I have a free report. It's called 5 Myths About Buying a New Construction Home. Definitely want to download that report. It's free, and the link will be included in the video description. If you need help buying or selling a home, be glad to help. And again, my name is Matthew Haviland with Keller Williams Realty.